Okay friends, today in a short video we'll see if you need to import different version of Primavera P6. I mean to say, if you have software which is lower version, let's say I have here version 17, but here I got a plan which is of different version. Let me see if I can import it. No. Import. Look at this one. So it is saying this version is 18.8 and version which I am using is 17. You can see here 17, it's 17.7 I think. So how we will do this one? It's quite simple. Open a notepad, text, okay, and simply drag it here. It's taking a bit long, I think. Okay, what we need to do, simply change here. You can change it to 17.7, or even you can go for 8.2, 8.1, whatever is your version is. Then simply save, close it. Now let's try again. Import. Yes, same. You see, now it is ready to be imported. Now you can select whatever you want, import to your, add new, create new project. Now it will allow me to choose my enterprise. Next. Now it's done. So this is the way you can do this one. I hope it's helpful for you. Please like, subscribe, share. Thank you very much. See you next. Bye bye.